Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So raise your hand guys if you miss going to Balenciaga. That would be me because for this episode guys, I have a surprise. Yes, we are going back to Balenciaga and we're going to check their amazing and beautiful bags. And we are eyeing one bag that we have previously seen there. And we are going to pray that it's still there. Maybe we are going to get it. So if you want to see beautiful eye candies, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Walking Budgetarian Fashionista. A vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and I'll be happy to welcome you to the fam. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so our first stop for the day is we are going to go to Balenciaga and check the bag that we have seen before, the red Hourglass bag. Me and my friend couldn't stop thinking about it, so we are going to check if it is still available. Come and join us guys!
Yung box niya, yung parang magnetic.
Yung box po niya is parang up and down.
Ay, parang shoebox.
But yung material po very durable. Ibang klase.
Yung matigas na.
Tsaka kulay gray. Hindi siya, yung white po dati, yun yung meron pa. Ngayon po gray. Kasi mabilis na tingnan yung white.
Yeah, better ang gray. Kapag balik ng August 15, balik siya sa original.
Even those bags over there.
Yes.
So everything, even the Balenciaga camera bag, will go back to regular prices.
Full out na.
Where are you going to? Where are you bringing?
Super nice. This is cute. I love that color. Can you try this together? This is the small. Can you put them side by side? Can you start here? Side by side. That's 190. Before na nakapark ka.
Wala po. Lahat po is correct.
Ayan, this is 96.5. Pero mas I think I love the Hourglass more. Pero this is parang a little bit classic. Make sure you check everything. Patulog talaga. Parang he cannot get over.
In August 15 pa po sa kaso abot sa laptop.
So parang oo nga, no?
Parang last day na talaga.
August.
No, until Thursday. Until Thursday. is basic po. I love the top of it. Can you see the inside? Meron na.
Sa leather.
Get our bags, put it here na lang inside.
Oo, nasa.
Ito, okay lang. Yeah. Nakabukol siya ko. Yeah, it doesn't bother me. Can you identify like when siya na manufacture or
Meron naman.
the dust bag. Yeah. Yeah. So, no leather conditioner, no colonial. Just clean with fabric. So,
ganito po.
the soft fabric. It's not prone to stickiness in the future. Although yung
wala sa hot environment.
ng mga
Sa
human.
cool area.
Or I don't know.
Tapos naka-hot.
Okay. Pero this is matte.
Pero malaki na masyado eh.
Yeah.
Parang hindi na siya style.
Hindi yung other comments ng customer mas mura lang.
But very fashionable. Parang only the who's who of the fashion industry would know you're carrying even.
Ay, isa-isa lang daw pasok mo.
Yung loafer style with gold na.
There, how did you like our shopping episode for today, guys? So I'm super happy because the bag that we are eyeing is still there and we are finally able to bring it home with us. So I don't want to say yet what we got from Balenciaga, but please do comment down below what do you think it is. But definitely please stay tuned next week because we are going to have another exciting unboxing episode. So guys, I would love to hear from each and one of you. Please do comment down below among the wide selection of bags that I'm showing you, which one is your favorite. And for anyone who is asking whether we are going to have the Gucci x Balenciaga hack project, the SAs are saying they're not yet sure. So maybe I'll just come back another time and see if we are going to have this in the future. Alright, so again guys, before we end our episode for today, let's do comment of the day. I would love to say thank you to May. May, thank you so much for this super awesome feedback that you left here. I really appreciate this one. Thank you and welcome to the fam. Alright guys, again, I'm inviting you to join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe to our growing and loving family. Guys, please do smash that notification bell. I publish vlogs twice a week, every Wednesdays and Saturdays, and I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so again, many thank you guys for staying with me in this exciting shopping episode. Like what I mentioned, stay tuned next week because we are going to do an unboxing episode of what we got on Balenciaga. So please stay safe. I will see you soon. Bye!